So when you're playing computer games, any character controlled by the computer and not you is called an NPC, or non-player character. NPCs exist to make the computer game world feel more alive, and you can often interact with them and they might give you quests for the game. Now, because they are computer controlled, all their speech and interaction options are pre-scripted or pull from a fixed random list, and you only have a limited choice of things to say to them and get a response. But watch this short clip released by graphics card company NVIDIA a few days ago, and then I'll tell you what's so crazy about it.
Hey Jen, how are you?
Unfortunately, not so good.
How come?
I am worried about the crime around here. It's gotten bad lately. My ramen shop got caught in the crossfire.
Can I help?
If you want to do something about this, I have heard rumors that the powerful crime lord Kuman Aoki is causing all sorts of chaos in the city. He may be the root of this violence.
I'll talk to him. Where can I find him?
I have heard he hangs out in the underground fight clubs on the city's east side. Try there.
Okay, I'll go.
Be careful, Kai.
So in this clip, a human player controls a computer character called Kai, who sits down at the counter in a ramen noodle shop. The human playing the game in real life speaks through his microphone to the computer chef character called Jin. Now the human can say anything they want, they don't have to select from specific options. The computer character Jin instantly responds to the human, but what makes this demo different to every other game where the computer pulls from a fixed set of pre-scripted replies, the character replies by speaking out an AI-generated response to what the human has asked them. This is a two-way verbal conversation between a real person and an artificial intelligence-powered character. So this is the start of computer gaming, where you can literally interact with anyone in the world and hold full conversations with them. Now, while the concept of this talk-to-computer characters tech sounds pretty groundbreaking, I can't help feel that the NVIDIA demo that we just watched was, to be honest, a bit crap. Like, if you're making a demo to show off talking to a computer character, do some more talking to it. As soon as they release a better one, I'll show it to you, but for the meantime, trust me, while this doesn't look like it, this is a big deal. So what exactly is going on under the hood here? Well, there are a few different technologies all working together to pull this off. There's NVIDIA's actual AI engine called NeMo, which is short for neural models. Game developers can train the AI on their game's lore, giving the AI knowledge of the world's history, events, and characters. Each character can have a pre-programmed backstory and personality traits that will influence how they talk and react to you. They can also have preset topics guiding them to lead you into specific scenarios, such as quests, as we've just seen in the video. This NeMo system does all the heavy lifting and decision making, taking into account everything the character should know about the world. Then you have something called NVIDIA Reaver, which takes care of all the speech, so listening to what the human says and turning it into text to jam into the AI, and then taking the AI's response and speaking it out loud. Finally, you have something called NVIDIA Omniverse Audio to Face, you know, that old chestnut. This technology controls the computer character's lip movements and syncs it to the speech, and controls the facial expressions to match them with what they're saying, and it all helps with the immersion and makes them look like a real human character. And all of this is done in real time thanks to the incredible processing power of NVIDIA's graphics chips. And that would be another perfect segue to a sponsored segment, but not today. So I've got a few more examples coming up, but if you're finding this interesting so far, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And the only criteria for things that I cover are things that wow me and will hopefully wow you too. Wow! So what possibilities does this technology open up? Well, a company called Convey, following the trend of taking a word and shoehorning AI into it somehow. Convey. Anyway, this company is helping game developers by packing all of this technology together and making it easy to put AI characters into games. And they've got some of their own demos on their website. One of the demos on their website shows a human asking a character to pass them a rifle off the table, which they do, or in a combat situation, ask a character to use a rocket launcher because the guns just aren't cutting it. Right, so instead of highlighting how I still don't have a sponsor at this point, I'm going to plug my own new experimental channel, which I'm kind of calling Yotty Vlogs for the moment. So when I'm making videos like this that you're currently watching, I'll always try to make them as polished and as good looking as I can. On my new channel, it's literally just me talking to a GoPro with minimal editing, showing you how I make these videos, and it's a lot more relaxed, especially for me. It gives me more experience behind the camera, and hopefully it will help someone out there. If you're making or learning to make YouTube videos as well, you might get some tips. So I'll put a link below to that new channel. Please check it out, subscribe to that, and let me know what you think. So what other scenarios could this tech be used for? Well, some good suggestions that I found online include having it play your assistant in an escape room maybe that could respond to you in real time and help when you ask it questions, or perhaps in a murder mystery game where you can run your theories past it and it can remind you of information you've picked up or point out flaws in your reasoning maybe. Can you think of any good uses for this technology? Leave a comment below and I'm going to start giving out gold stars in the comments to the best ones. But for this video only, everyone will get a gold star, so get commenting. I'm just going to give this a quick go myself here. Hey Jin, what's your advice to anyone watching this video?
You should buy some ramen and subscribe to Yotty Laboratories.
Oh, you! Now, of course, somebody else on the internet pointed out that this technology could be used for porn. There's always that one person, isn't there? And for once, it wasn't me. And that suggestion did make me laugh, though, to be honest. Can you imagine the scene? You, as a washing machine repairman, calls around to the house of a beautiful woman, played by an AI character, who's been trained on the situation, and she's like, I hope you have spare part ZX5321 and correct Allen keys to disassemble it correctly, Daddy. That's this video done. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and watch some more of my videos. Thank you very much. I will see you next time.